Hi guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a very quick video on how I bring my lashes back to life once they've seen some better days. So one of the first things I do is remove the glue. So you want to make sure you get all of that off. You can use tweezers for this, especially if you have like longer nails. But see, you want to get all that glue off of there on both of your pairs. And just make sure you're not tugging on the actual lash band because you can destroy it. The next thing I do is I take a cleaning wipe. These are my Formula 10 clarifying facial wipes. You guys know I love these. I've talked about them in my Formula 10 video. And then what I'm going to do is place my lashes right on top of there, like so. And then I'm going to take just a plain old Q-tip and a little bit of alcohol. And I'm just going to dip the Q-tip in the alcohol. Gently hold this and do little sweeping outward motions with the lashes. Now with my lashes, I try to put mascara on first and then use tweezers to stick my lashes together so I don't tend to have a whole lot of residue on them. But it is good to do this to keep your lashes clean and free from any germs. So just gentle sweeping motions like so. Now, especially if you're somebody who puts their lashes on and then puts mascara, you're going to want to do this pretty regularly to get that excess off and keep your lashes looking nice. So next you'll see, look at how much nicer that looks. It's back to brand new. And then what I do is I just sit it back. I just use these little ColourPop cards because they always send them with every order. And I let it sit on there. And then I just repeat the same step with the other lash. And it's just so easy, just these super gentle little motions. You don't want to do anything too crazy because lashes are so gentle and you could really rip out the lashes. And that is the last thing we're trying to do. We're just trying to get them clean so we can wear them again. If you do this regularly, it really will help with the wear of your lashes and you'll be able to use them so much more. It's all about just taking care of them, especially if you're using expensive lashes like Lily Lashes, or I love Divine Lash Company. That's another one of my favorite brands, and those lashes are not cheap. These are just my Cocoa lashes. This is in the style Goddess, which are like my absolute favorite, like everyday ones. See, so then you just place them both on the card and let them air dry and you are good to go. If you'd like, you can go back through them with a spoolie if they get a little clumpy at all, but at this point, all your residue should be removed, like how this is on here. See, all that residue from the lashes is now off and they are good to go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video and I guess tutorial on how to clean your lashes, and I will see you guys next video.